Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of Casual Kappa. This, if you haven't seen it, this is Universe Sandbox. And I'm gonna be creating a planet. So I watched a YouTuber called That Neptunian Guy, I think, I don't know. And he made this gas giant, like a moon system and everything. I've been doing that for a while, duh. But I'm going to try to make it on camera. And hopefully it doesn't take too long, but at the same time, I want you to enjoy the video. So, yeah. I'm gonna get a random main sequence star. Yeah. Yeah, to be honest, it's big, but it's good enough. So, I'm gonna open up Habitable. See where it is. And how big is the sun compared to this, man? I swear, if the sun is like the size of, like, I don't know. I said sun. Oh, well, it's not that small. I mean, compared to the Jupiters, Ah, I see. Saturn, Uranus, Earth. Yeah, Earth is minuscule. Very small. Anyway, so random gas giant, I think I'll put it around... Um... So, the Earth's orbit around the sun is 1 AU. This star is very dim. So, this would be like below, like inside Mercury's orbit, but I'm gonna put this on the very edge of the blue zone. Oh. Okay, okay. Do that. So that what? So is it here or is it here? I don't know. I hate that perspective thing. Anyway, really depends on the temperature. I don't know how to read Celsius. Why does it do this to me? Okay, average temp 62. Minimum temperature -7. 82. Okay, well I guess it's in the Earth zone. Just out there. Or I don't know. So oh wow, that's a lot of water. I get rid of that water. It doesn't need the water. It's probably like methane or whatever, but it could use some gas. Yeah. And making the core a little big. There. Okay. So yeah, custom bands. We need a lot of bands. Because we gotta make this nice, alright? You can't have a boring planet. Hold up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so has kind of an orangish glow from the star. Um, bless me. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna pause time real quick, and I'm gonna look at. Let me just move that. Okay, and my little map of how I'm gonna see what I'm doing on the top is going to be from this. So, position visuals. Okay. Got that. And I kind of want to mix it with like if you think Uranus and Saturn, if you mix that. So I'm gonna make Uranus kind of the top color band. Okay. So it's gonna be quite interesting. And that makes like the three big main like gas giants. Uranus. Let's see how that goes. So yeah. Uranus is gonna be at the top. It's probably gonna be the smallest set of bands. I say Uranus, but it's not Uranus. It's just color scheme. I say it's gonna be kind of greenish, but at the same time I don't know how, so I'm gonna just go with the flow. So I say, once I get to a certain point where it kind of doesn't look like Uranus anymore, yeah, about there. Now I gotta go to Saturn. So Saturn's pretty bland, I'd say, when it comes to the clouds. So I'm gonna just kind of make them different shades of yellow, kind of golden thing. It's gonna be quite interesting, but I do like making kind of custom like gas giants like this. Ooh, okay. I make that white. Unless it's. I could make this white. Ooh. And then I could make that. I don't know. This can't be too big. Okay. So we got to get that. And oh, wait, this looks pretty good so far, but I am not close to done. I've got to add a couple more bands to make it even. Get the brown in there. Gotta get more golden. It's gonna be kind of a unique Saturn. I don't know, but yeah. All right. That looks like a Uranus Saturn mix. I think what I could do here, sort of a kind of a mix. I mean, it looks pretty interesting so far. Now it's gonna be Jupiter. So Jupiter's mainly just kind of a red, brown, and white. I mean, not entirely white, but it's just white. You get what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep on skipping. See how this goes. I'll just skip a couple. Might need to give this a little bit of a little thing. Kind of can't tell the difference between Saturn and Jupiter, which is annoying. If I cool down Saturn's colors a little bit and make it not as dark, then that could work. Yeah, that's pretty good. There and that. Kind of a white. Yeah, that looks like Saturn now. Okay. And Jupiter is Jupiter's Jupiter, okay? We respect Jupiter. So guess I'll be looking at the bottom now. Jupiter's poles kind of are dark bluish. I think I'll leave this white, but that. But then it's a dark bluish, like kind of a gray blue. That makes sense. It's like not entirely blue. It's not entirely gray. It's interesting to say the least. So I guess I'll do that with black. No, would not. So I'm gonna just there. Now we got a kind of interesting looking gas giant. It's yeah. So I'm gonna transform it real quick. And if I do the math right, I could get a day for this gas giant. That would be like I could get a day for the gas giant where it's like kind of a mix of all the other ones and whatever. If that makes sense. Kind of like Jupiter has a 10-hour day, Saturn has like a 12-hour day, and then like Uranus has like a whatever amount of day. If I subtract all of them, I could get a amount of days. I don't know if I want to work that hard for a little planet. So this planet's like it's offended or something. Let's see how big this is compared to Jupiter. Okay, it's kind of small about Saturn, Uranus. Yeah, it's about the size of Uranus. So Earth is humongous to it. I say that, but it's like this big. Planet 9. Neptune. Planet 9. Anyway. Pluto. Now, Pluto's still a dot. So now I want to give this thing kind of rings. So, how big rings? Like, hmm. I mean, I don't know if I want to give it rings. I mean, literally, like, every gas giant ever has, like, rings. But, you know, good enough. Alright. It's got some rings. I have a gas giant. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some moons. I'm gonna pause time. I'm gonna add like some little shepherd moons if you've ever heard of those. Shepherd moons are like moons that kind of keep the rings stable. So they're not really like big circular shaped moons in a way. They're just there for fun. Oh, a few orbits. Okay. Oops. Don't need it there. Okay. So get some shepherd moons around these rings. Oh, hold up. Rock particles don't show a line. That's not good. Not very good. Random asteroid. Okay. Here we are. Yeah. Okay, so we kinda gotta go here and then. Yeah, Earth is kinda big. So I've gotta have some small major moons. Small major moons. There, but like here. Just gotta keep the rings in check, like naturally, if that makes sense. I say that, but it's like can't really do that naturally. Just gotta kind of force the moons there. Okay, so I have one little shepherd moon here named Paterithiron. I'm not going with that name. I'm gonna just shorten it. Patrick. Okay. Then I have to have a moon named SpongeBob. Then it's complete. So this moon is next to. Gotta lower it down. So Patrick here is keeping these rings in check. All right. So it's orbiting around, and then I gotta make SpongeBob, the other moon. So boom. Okay. So I've got the time stopped. Z times. Okay. And now I'm gonna have not Phobos, just a random asteroid again. Oh, Lucid. Okay, that's a more normal name. Okay, so put Lucid here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to transform. Kinda lower this down a bit. And I got some shepherd moons. Hooray. Okay, so I need to name this one SpongeBob. It's just got. Okay, it's complete. Mm, there. SpongeBob and Patrick. Let's go. Oh, then I have to name the moon Squidward. Sorry, I'm just in that mind right now. Okay, just got Squidward. There, Squidward. I am so weird. All right, so we got some shepherd moons here. We got SpongeBob, Patrick orbiting around Squidward. Now we gotta get some major moons. So pause the time. Got some some small moons out here. And then we gotta get like here and then here. Probably just get rid of you because you don't look like you're in orbit. And just get one. Oh, not Earth. Okay. Here. And we gotta have like a guy on the outskirts. Oh. Okay, well, let's see how this is doing. Nope. Nope. Okay. No. No. Oh, this thing is barely holding on to any of these. Hold up. Huh. Oh, the rings were also being pulled by those moons. Okay. Huh. Speed up time a bit. Get the rings back in shape. Alrighty. So Patrick's keeping these rings in check. Ugh, they look There's a little guy. It's loose. Oh, I see what's happening. The sun is pulling their rings. That's not good. I'm gonna do a thing. Okay, so like nothing happened. um, yeah, nothing happened to Patrick, guys. He just had a little mental breakdown. Yeah. What the? Why does it do this, man? The sun stays the same size. It's just so trippy. That has to be a glitch, man. This stays in the game forever. I'm gonna cry. Okay, so I gotta get the radius. 3 Earths? What? Hold up. Yeah. This this thing is smaller than Uranus and Neptune. Holy cow! What is this? Gotta get this radius up, man. At least half Jupiter. Okay, 0.5. There we go. Okay. How many mass of Jupiter? 0.5. There. Yeah. Okay, now this is roughly the size of Jupiter. Hooray. So now it's orbiting the totally same star that was there earlier. So now I'm going to add some rings again. This time I'm just add the Jupiter rings. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just add, yeah, there. Okay, they're not as elegant and big as the last time, but who cares? All right, this is Jupiter, guys, guys. Anyway, gotta get the same amount of days though. Okay, so rotational period hours, about 10 hours. Yeah, about matching the ring speed. What about 9 then? Yeah, there we go. It has a 9-hour day. It's 10.5-hour day. So it's rotating really fast. If you think about that. Like, our days are about 12 hours. This thing is like 3 hours shorter than a normal day. So if you think days are short, go to this. Oh, crap. What did I do? I'm so dumb. Okay, anyway, let's just solve yourself real quick. Um, please fix yourself. Poop. Control C. This planet's copy. Control V. Control C. Oop, no. Control C. Control. I'm gonna just save this real quick. Hold on, let me just do a thing. Okay, so we're back. Nothing happened. Hee hee. Okay. Still orbiting the same sun. That's a record. Why does it look like it's 5 million miles out? I mean, 5 billion. Sorry. Okay. Gotta add the shepherd moves again. So, gotta get the ziboom and ziboom. Okay. And these are doing well. Keeping the rings in check. Okay. Little eclipses. It's like microscopic. Hold on. Can I land on the eclipse? Where's this eclipse happening? Hold up. Where's the sun? Oh. Oh, okay, there it is. Wow, that's really embarrassing. Anyway, add a random small moon. Let's just add 4 random moons. Or 2. How about 3? And I gotta add a little asteroid dude on the very edge. So, look at that. Look at this. It's just a stable system. I'm gonna make this guy not as ellipsoided. Ellipsoided, that sounds like something else. So, it's gonna have a kind of elliptical looking orbit. So it looks like it's a captured asteroid, kind of. So hold up, we're just gonna. There. Interesting. Okay, so it's kind of got that orbit where it's kind of close, kind of far. That's quite interesting. And now I'm gonna customize. I'm gonna customize the moons. So first moon that we see is Heralatanustia. What are these names? Just name it Hera, man. Star Wars. There, just Hera. Don't gotta be so difficult. And I think I just there. Motion, surface. Edit visuals. Okay. Hmm. Surface. So I don't know what to do. Uh. Okay. Um. Atmosphere mass. So I'm gonna give this thing a little bit of an atmosphere. So that's gonna be about Mars. 1 Mars atmosphere. 1. Ooh, pretty. It's already kind of a nice looking moon. They're probably quite heavy. What about if I tidally lock this to a... Okay, so it's tidally locked to the planet. These clouds are so fast. Ooh, that was pretty. Okay, so let's just do a thing. Slow down these clouds. So let's go over here. These are fine. Okay, now they're kind of, yeah, nice. Not thin. Wispy. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. Got some wispy clouds going on. A little white atmosphere. What's that look like? No, no. Meh. There. Okay, so opacity. No, what if I add city lights? Okay. Let's see. I don't know if there's really anything to add. I could add some water. Have some tidal heating happen, maybe? Let's just hope for the best. Uh, uh, ooh, no. It just doesn't really. Anyway, it's pretty good. It is, was it? Buzzing winds. Used. No. I'm gonna kind of edit this one. What does this look like? Kind of boring. I mean, it's interesting. Cool. Good thing. Wait a minute. Hold up. I need to give this thing a magnetic field. Oh, it's all this water. You don't need that water. Life likelihood a number percent. Alrighty, so I gave the main planet a bit of a magnetic field. So, not magnetic field, already has one of those. This moon, I don't know what to do with this. Does it have chance for water? I want to instantly become the water world. I don't want a water world though. A number percent. Find that funny. Visuals. I don't want to give it. I don't want to give the moon like. I don't know what the flip. Anyway, if you heard my dog's bark. Actually, I think I'll just leave this moon be. Looks fine. So this moon has a bunch of atmospheres, really pretty and stuff. And I gotta get to the third moon, which is what's this one called? It looks like August. Just name it August. It's not hard. Just gotta do. Just name it that, man. Oh, man, I misspelled it. All people named August out there. Shout out. What's with the? No. What is with the? What is with the eye? Just make it rest. I'm not even gonna ask. Anyway, so this one kind of looks like it'd be a lava world? Question. Here's the thing. Could this moon have a moon around it? Like a tiny little asteroid caught in its orbit? Maybe do something. If I could do a random asteroid, just have it really close. Could it? It's gonna get lost. What about a ring? Very small ring. Uh, just get a realistic. Whoa. Whoa. Dang. Anyway. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So, how about that I just make this thing spin like really backwards? How about that? Yeah. This thing's like practically not spinning. Hold on. Let me just. This thing is like spinning slower than Venus on a day off. What even is this? Just rotational period. 1 day. Okay. There. Now it's spinning backwards. Whoa, wait. I have an amazing idea. What if I try to, this could be super elliptical. Okay, if I make it like a backwards kind of orbit, could that do a thing? Right? Oh, that is epic. What? Oh, it's trippy. So it's like backwards because it's on a day off. And this guy. We don't even need to talk about that guy. So, what if this one could also have just a really thick atmosphere? Hold on. Yeah, I could do that. Okay, so let's go off to aha, here. Just a really thick atmosphere. How about two, one Earth? Okay, let's see. That's a bit too thick. I want to see a bit of the surface. Not too much. Just a bit of a sneak peek. Alright, here. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh, that was like the shortest eclipse on Earth. Oh, it's so trippy because it's. I mean, this thing's also spinning back. It's like actually. It's weird. It's so trippy. Oh my god. Anyway, I think I've got a nice system here. Okay. I would add more if I could. Just, um, I would add more if I could, sadly, but you know, I have my limits. It's also, if you can't tell by the time down here, it's 10:05. So, what does this look like when it's like, oh, that is like epic. Oh, wow. So weird. It's like you can trace out the orbits. Like you can like trace out this one's like, yeah. So weird. Looks like a tadpole going through space. Is the sun being affected by this, by the way? Where's the berry center? Hold it. I can't do. Okay. That's pretty cool. Let's view it in like chart. See how that looks. Let's pause time real quick. Look at all these moons all next to each other. So yeah, we got some interesting little things here. Okay, well, it was a nice video making this system. I think I'm gonna save it real quick. Just rain tune. Because it's the mix of all the planets. And I've gotta just do that. So now it's saved in my search history. Anyway, so I thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now. Please subscribe to me. I swear I work so hard on these videos and I get like